crystal clear. Some things can never change, only disappear. The sound of the wind stayed here ever since, but the shape of a smile seems so far away. Seems far away. Now the answers float away and nothing looks the same. I don't mind to say things happen to feel, but the empty rooms are filled with another way to see. All around here I can only feel relief, belief. Will the world go on when souls fall? Should we play this game till the end of time? Life goes on again tonight. This is a tough way of a game when you put yourself on sale. And I looked them in the eye, and I trust there are no lies. You know, when souls are getting blind, you can never find true colors inside. And that's time to decide, leave or never live, something to believe. I hear what you say, but there is no one to play. There is no one to blame. It was just a game, just a game. Will the world go on when souls fall? Should we play this game till the end of time? Life goes on